welcome to Shibe residence. God is good all the time. He's your perfect one.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Show. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, congratulations messages are pouring in for Syabonga Shibe after he shared his beautiful new house with a background song by Shava that says Nkosi ngiyabonga ukuthi ukwazile ungipha amandla ngivusa umuzika baba kunini ngilokhu ngizabalaza, and he also wrote welcome to Shibe residence. Congratulations Syabonga, a shelter is one of the best achievement in life. Guys, Syabonga Shibe is a South African actor from Mlazi, KZN, best known for his leading role in SABC One drama series Gazlame as Sfiso and Kabanga on UZalo, and he recently played the Majola brother on The Wife Show Mix. Few days back, guys, Syabonga was filming with Enga after one of the YouTubers said he was once on drugs, thanks to UZalo for changing his life. Syabonga rubbished those allegations, saying as a person he was never on drugs, but his character on Gazlam once used them. Maybe guys, this guy was just confusing the two, that what he said on his post on Instagram. Once again guys, congratulations to Syabonga. We wish him all the best. Bye.